question is, write the main functions of the following. Vitreous humor. We know that vitreous humor lies behind the lens and is an important chamber of the eye. It basically refracts the light rays and maintains the shape of the eyeball. Next option, what is the function of the medulla oblongata? Medulla oblongata is the lowermost part of the brain and it controls all the important involuntary actions like heartbeat, breathing, and important reflexes like swallowing, vomiting, coughing, etc. Next is, what is the function of the yellow spot? We know that the distribution of rods and cones is not uniform. There is a spot in the eye at the back of the eye which is called the yellow spot or the macula lutea or fovea centralis based on its location. This has the maximum concentration of cones, so it is the reason of brightest and sharpest vision.